Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Zoom and signing into the correct account. Do this now so permissions match your class roster. Once signed in, schedule the session with a clear topic and password and enable the waiting room to control entry. Make sure your audio and camera default settings are set for mute on entry. This prevents chaos when students join. Also assign a co-host and enable breakout rooms before start. These small steps save time and keep the class focused. You open the meeting by admitting students and visually confirming names, so attendance is accurate and respectful. Once settled, click Share Screen and select the specific window or presentation. Check Share Sound if you play videos, and use Optimize for video if needed. During instruction, alternate direct talk with interactive tools, polls, reactions, chat prompts, so learners stay involved. If small group work is planned, create breakout rooms and assign participants. This organizes collaboration without interrupting the main lesson. You end by stopping the recording and choosing End Meeting for all, or assign another host if you need to leave early. Recordings are then processed in cloud or saved locally. If someone loses audio or camera, ask them to check device permissions, select the correct mic/camera in Zoom settings, and restart the app. This resolves most issues. If things still go wrong, a quick, reliable fix is to have users toggle mute, reconnect the internet, or have the host
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.